Are you seeing errors created by the Internet Information Services module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Internet Information Services module, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Internet Information Services module, the Microsoft Internet Information Services IIS core helper library. It manages the internal routines for Windows-hosted web servers and local development environments. Errors involving this file typically occur on developer workstations where the IIS feature is partially installed or corrupted. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scannow. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Internet Information Services module DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Internet Information Services module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netsh space IINT space IIP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A critical reminder, modifying Internet Information Services module DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Internet Information Services module. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Internet Information Services module remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.